Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Walk one unstoppable family. So people, a family is seeking our assistance. Your assistance in locating a family member that has been missing since Wednesday. Now the story behind this is that the man who is missing, whose name is Damian Shaw, went missing since Wednesday, and he is a taxi operator whose car was found with blood inside. Now, the family is concerned because the police has the vehicle in their possession, but they are concerned that this is not being made public, so that if anybody out there have any kind of information could come forward and say, listen, we saw something happen, we know what happened, but the family is saying it is not in the press, it is not on the news, it's not in the Star, they know it, and they are wondering why. So them reach out to Unstoppable and them say, Unstoppable, please put this public so that everyone can know that we need to find our nephew, our son, our brother. Family is concerned about it. So I have a voice recording from the auntie who is going to explain everything what happened, and then we're going to move on over to what the mother had to say. Take a listen.
Good afternoon, Unstoppable. On a Wednesday, I got a call from Jamaica that my nephew was missing. His mom said last time she saw him was like 11 a.m. that morning, because he run cabs from Port Maria to Anata Bay to Port Maria. They didn't see, normally he has to pass the gate because they live on the main to Port Maria and Anata Bay, and that's in St. Mary. He actually lives in St. Mary, Martin St. Mary. So they live on the main that the roads bring you back from Port Maria to Anata Bay, Ochi. It's a main road. However, they was outside the gate all day. They haven't seen him turn back. All of a sudden, they hear talking, and someone come and tell them that they found his car somewhere in Stony Hill, and it has blood all over it. So they called the police station, which is in Red Hills, and get information that someone brought the car to a mechanic, which the mechanic in return called the cops about the car, because I guess he was suspicious about the blood and everything on it. However, that's from Monday. And how since Monday you haven't heard that on the news? It's not in the paper. It's nowhere different from Facebook, where family members and friends are putting it on the media so people can see. They are saying they have to get blood sample to do a DNA to find out if it's his or whatever. The fact is, it's his car. That's the car that he's driving. They identify the car that he's driving. Why did Red Hills Police Station or the cops, whoever have the case, do not put this on the news or the television or whatever, stating that this guy was reported missing and they found his car all the way in Stony Hill, some place called War Hill. I don't know if it's War Hill or Walks Hill, but it's close or borderline to Sligoville and Stony Hill. That's where they found his car. You know, and nothing has been done. Nothing. You don't hear nothing about it or whatever. This is how people dead and gone and quiet at Jamaica. Come on now. If you heard that someone was missing and you found this car with blood in it, that means that something is not right. It should have been in the news, on the news, in the paper, on television news or whatever. What is going on? What really going on? My nephew gone from when? And nobody no know. Nobody no know if them throw him in a pit. Them no know if them burn him. Them no know nothing at all. Come on now.
The car at the station.
The car at the station. That's all you know. The car at the station, and that's it. It's full of blood. And you know hear upon the news, you know hear it now where say somebody missing and them find them car somewhere, this, that. You know, I swear to God, I want to go home so bad sometimes for live and sometimes I'm scared. Because it's like you have no help, you don't have nobody, the government now back your period, the police them now don't even work. And when jungle justice happened, them said this side the people get locked up and people go to prison. Come on now, man. Unstoppable, me ask if I put out this because me really me cry, me can't cry no more really. Cause me have my family too, and them have to depend on me. You understand? My sisters, my nephew, them have to depend on me. Me have them back too. You understand what I mean? Me have to stay strong. Me can't have blood pressure and dead. Me just lose my mother. Me just lose a nephew and a next one again. Me can't manage. This is too much. Please, me I beg you put this out. That means if anybody see any suspicious thing in a war hill from Port Maria, not to be to wherever they find the car. If anybody see anything suspicious, just report it. Please.
So that right there was the voice of the auntie. I'm gonna make sure I give you a clear view of what the car look like and a clear view of what his face look like. So if anyone want to recognize him or recognize the car and want to see some kind of foul play that happen somewhere, please contact the police. Alright, or you can even contact Unstoppable and I will reach out to the family members and make them know what information was received. Alright, this family needs to know what happened. And the mother is now speaking out. The mother needs answers. The mother wants to know, say, listen, even if he's in body, we just need to find him. As sad as it is, the mother needs some answers. Make we take a listen to what Damian's mother is saying right here.
Has anybody out there hear this my plight and can help me? My son has been missing from the 6th of May. From the 6th of May. And my dear people out there, he left home on the 6th of May, 5 o'clock for work. He runs a taxi from Anata Bay to Port Maria in St. Mary. The color of the car is an orange red Eddie wagon. Flies Anata Bay to Port Maria. When he left home, the last time I saw him was 11 o'clock in the day, that same day, when he stopped by the house to collect a food from his baby mother. I never see him again. Until 3 o'clock in the evening when I get the call from a police. She identified herself to me as a police. And she says to me, "Mother, are you the mother of Damian Shaw?" I said, "Yes." She said, "Are you standing or are you sitting?" I said, "Miss, go ahead." She says to me, "Well, miss, do you have any contact number? Do you have any other contact number that I can contact Damian?" I said, "No, miss, just the one he used." So she said, "Where is he supposed to be now?" I said, "Miss, he's supposed to be on the road working." He said he's supposed to be on the road working. She said, "Well, miss, let's hope for the best." We found the car in War Hill near Sligoville in St. Catherine. And today it's been 3 days since he's missing and I'm not hearing anything. So if anybody out there hear my plight and I've seen this man body anywhere, you just see he left home in a white t-shirt and a black jeans pants and a gray sneakers on his foot. His hair is tall and pretty, catch it back in one. And he's of dark complexion.
If you are watching this video right now, you can play a part in helping to find this young man. If it even embody, as sad as it is to say, it is easy for you to help. All you have to do is just share this video, share it to your WhatsApp contacts, share it to Facebook, share it and make more people get the opportunity to look upon him face, look upon the car, hear the mothers cry, hear the auntie cry, and try to offer some help if them know any kind of information. It is that simple. Let's try to help and get some answers as to what go on with this young man. Unstoppable TV will definitely keep you updated on the info as soon as I get it from the family and make you know the situation and what has turned. Watch on, man. This has been an update from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time to this channel and you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will continue to be alerted. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.